Hello and welcome back. This is Imrul Tusher once again. Today I'm going to show you how you can submit a review to the client on Upwork. So as you can see right now I'm on my Upwork dashboard. So as you can see here is a notification. Client ended your contract. So now you have to click on this here. So click on it. Then it will redirect to the client ended page. After that you will see the details. So this project was a fix the navigation bars, so some fixing on the menu. So as after that, and its price was $10. Now client contract ended, so now client already leave a feedback to me, so now I have to provide a feedback to the client. So as you can see, here is a button leave a feedback, so click on it. Then it will redirect to the feedback page on Upwork. So as you can see, this is the private feedback. So this client is very good, that's why I'm giving him 10 out of 10. So if you want, you can write something here. So I don't want to write something here. So this can you tell us primary reason of the ending the contract? So our work is already completed, so we will select project completed successfully, so click on it. Then we have to give the public feedback that will show to the client profile. So this client is very good and very everything is all good, so I'm very happy to work with him. So click all five. Communication, cooperation, so all five, so I'm very happy. So now here this box is to share something about the client. So here to share your experience with the client on to the Upwork community. So you can also, it's optional, you can, if you don't want, you don't need to write. So I'm very I want to write something. I am very happy to work with the very so great clients, great. So that's it. So now we have to click submit feedback, so click on it. Then review will be submitted. As you can see, after submit the review, you will see the client review here. So as you can see, client gave me 5 star. So that was the very simple tutorials how you can submit the review to the client on Upwork. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give me a big thumbs up, and you can share this video to your friend who want to learn that. So that's it. Have a good day. Bye bye.